Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. How is SaaS typically billed? One-time payment. Data transfer fee. Subscription-based. Hourly usage. SaaS is usually billed on a subscription basis, where users pay a recurring fee for access to the software and its updates. What is a characteristic of PaaS with regard to updates and maintenance? Infrequent updates. User-initiated updates. Automatic updates and maintenance. Manual user updates. PaaS providers handle automatic updates and maintenance, ensuring users always have access to the latest features and security patches. What is a characteristic of SaaS in terms of updates and maintenance? Manual user updates. Automatic updates and maintenance. Developer-initiated updates. Infrequent updates. SaaS providers handle updates and maintenance automatically, ensuring users always have access to the latest features and security patches. How does PaaS differ from IaaS? User interface development. Abstracted infrastructure management. Limited scalability. Virtualization of resources. PaaS abstracts infrastructure management, while IaaS provides virtualized resources. PaaS focuses on application development, contrasting with IaaS's broader infrastructure control. Why is IaaS considered a cloud computing model? Local hardware installation. Fixed resource allocation. Delivered over the Internet. Limited connectivity. IaaS is considered a cloud computing model because it delivers computing resources over the Internet, allowing users to access infrastructure remotely. What role do developers play in a PaaS model? Network configuration. Security management. Application development. Hardware maintenance. In PaaS, developers primarily focus on application development, utilizing the platform's tools and services for efficient coding and deployment. Why is PaaS considered a cloud computing model? Limited connectivity. Delivered over the Internet. Local hardware installation. Fixed resource allocation. PaaS is considered a cloud computing model as it delivers a platform with development tools over the Internet, allowing remote and scalable access. What is a key advantage of SaaS? Limited accessibility. Physical ownership. Infrastructure management. Scalability. SaaS provides scalability, allowing software providers to easily scale their software resources based on user demand without managing the underlying infrastructure. What role does the user play in SaaS? Building the code base. Developing the infrastructure. Managing the servers. Consuming the software. In SaaS, users are consumers of the software, using it for their specific needs without dealing with the underlying infrastructure or development. How is storage handled in IaaS? Offline and local. Scalable and on-demand. Fixed and limited. Distributed and unpredictable. IaaS provides scalable and on-demand storage, allowing users to adjust their storage needs dynamically as their requirements change. What is a benefit of IaaS in terms of cost? Monthly subscription only. Pay-as-you-go pricing. Free usage periods. Upfront and fixed costs. IaaS often employs pay-as-you-go pricing, allowing users to pay for the resources they consume, reducing upfront and fixed costs. What is the responsibility of the IaaS provider in terms of security? Securing data transmission only. Securing user applications. Securing the infrastructure. Securing end-user devices. IaaS providers are responsible for securing the underlying infrastructure, including data centers, networking, and hardware. What does the term multi-tenancy mean in the context of SaaS? Multiple users share the same software instance. Multiple software instances for each user. No user access. Single user access only. Multi-tenancy in SaaS means that multiple users share the same instance of the software, with each user's data and configurations kept separate. How does IaaS contribute to business flexibility? Limited resource access. Static resource allocation. Resource scalability. Long-term contracts. IaaS's resource scalability enables businesses to adapt quickly to changing demands, offering flexibility in resource allocation without long-term commitments. What does IaaS stand for? Information as a service. Integration as a service. Infrastructure as a service. Internet as a service. IaaS specifically refers to infrastructure as a service, providing virtualized computing resources over the Internet. How is computing power managed in IaaS? Local and limited. Intermittent and unpredictable. On-demand and scalable. Fixed and non-adjustable. IaaS offers on-demand and scalable computing power, allowing users to adjust resources based on their needs without a fixed, non-adjustable infrastructure. In PaaS, what does the platform layer provide? Data storage only. Runtime environment and services. User interfaces. Physical servers. The platform layer in PaaS offers a runtime environment and services, allowing developers to focus on coding without dealing with infrastructure complexities. Why is SaaS considered a cloud computing model? Local hardware installation. Offline access only. Delivered over the Internet. Limited connectivity. SaaS is considered a cloud computing model because it delivers software applications over the internet, enabling users to access them from anywhere with an internet connection. What is a key advantage of PaaS in terms of scalability? Scalability not supported. Automatic scaling of resources. Manual scaling by users. Fixed resource allocation. PaaS enables automatic scaling of resources based on demand, ensuring optimal performance without manual intervention. Which of the following is a characteristic of IaaS? Physical hardware ownership. Static resource allocation. Limited network access. Virtualization of resources. IaaS involves the virtualization of resources, allowing users to access computing resources without the need for physical hardware ownership. What does SaaS stand for? System as a Service. Security as a Service. Software as a Service. Storage as a Service. SaaS refers specifically to software as a service, delivering software applications over the internet. What is an important consideration for data security in SaaS? Public data sharing. Encryption of data in transit and at rest. Unrestricted access to data. No data encryption. Data security in SaaS is crucial, and encryption of data in transit and at rest helps protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. How does PaaS contribute to cost savings for businesses? Frequent hardware upgrades. Complex network configurations. High upfront hardware costs. No need for infrastructure management. PaaS eliminates the need for infrastructure management, reducing upfront costs associated with hardware and maintenance. How does SaaS contribute to cost savings for businesses? Frequent hardware upgrades. High upfront hardware costs. Complex network configurations. No need for on-premises infrastructure. SaaS eliminates the need for on-premises infrastructure, reducing upfront costs associated with hardware and maintenance. How does IaaS differ from traditional on-premises infrastructure? Local hardware installation. No physical hardware ownership. Fixed capacity. Limited scalability. IaaS eliminates the need for physical hardware ownership and provides scalable resources, contrasting with fixed capacity and local hardware installation in traditional on-premises infrastructure. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.